So let's wait a little bit. And look at this, guys. Look at, I have shop, main, auto farm. Look at this. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Blox Fruits script for Roblox, absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Type in search Blox Fruits script, and you will find the online tool. And I will have to enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Okay, let me click connect to the server, and let's wait for this searching. Okay, user found, just click connect. And do you have any executor? No. Import newest delta executor, yes, and select this script. Okay, click continue, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and believe me, this is the best working method for Blox Fruits script. Okay, just scroll down and click verify to complete. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So, guys, I will download this just play and this Dave app. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got the status complete, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting, and let's see the next step. Injection successful, guys. That's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's play Blox Fruits, and let's see does it actually work. Okay, so let's see, guys. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and we have these panels. So just click on How button and click execute. Okay, and let's wait a little bit for this script. And guys, as you can see, we have now Forge Hub script. So let's wait a little bit. And look at this, guys. Look at, I have shop, main, auto farm. Look at this. We have boss, auto select, boss, auto farm. This is working perfectly, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.